I wanted to share with you some of the data. We've seen a profound shift on the data side in the type of work orders that you, our clients, are completing. Macro trends across all of our dude clients, manufacturing and otherwise. Unfortunately, many clients are showing reduced work order generation just due to the environment. But there has been a significant increase in COVID-19 related work orders, whether it's sanitation, PPE, so forth. But there's a lot of silver linings, tools, techniques where you can take advantage. I know that Paul is going to dive deeper into that here in just a minute. But quickly, before we do that, I'm sure you've seen all of the amazing stories in the press. I grabbed a couple of articles about clients to highlight some of you and your efforts. Starting with Jake's Finer Foods. Jake's is a distributor of fresh meat and produce, and majority of their clients are food service providers, restaurants in Texas and Western Louisiana. And some of what James, their maintenance manager, was sharing and that I've seen on their site is that they've been using this slower time to reduce their backlog and fill in some asset information that might have been missing previously and just dive into their CMMS. Although, they've seen a decline in sales like so many of us have, they've been selling meat boxes to retail and restaurants for those businesses to then sell to their customers. They also started taking trucks out into the community and selling to families. And that's not all. For every box they sell, they're donating one to the Houston Food Bank. And it's been an iterative event, but 3 weeks ago when they took the last measurement, they were able to donate 3,000 pounds of food to the food bank. Just a huge way to give back to the community and get innovative when things are tough. So a huge thanks and congratulations to our Jake's family. Second story is from H&I. They're a furniture manufacturer, and a lot of their clients are in the healthcare space. I think we're all aware of this availability of PPE, and it's become this huge critical issue nationwide, and especially for healthcare workers. What's been amazing is that they're using some of their factories to meet local needs of their own clients, their healthcare clients, producing and donating PPE to first responders, healthcare systems, hospitals, and for the most part, they've been able to use equipment and assets that they already have, but they've even purchased some new equipment. They are turning out washable masks, face cover or mask covers, gowns, furniture for pop-up healthcare facilities, privacy screens, hand sanitizer stands, you name it, and all while adhering to really strict sanitation mandates. Everything I'm reading in all of these articles really puts the safety of employees and clients as number one. And we know that employee safety is important to you always, but especially through these times. We want to just applaud their effort and your effort to helping the community and diving in where you can to fit a need.